it looks like it is done, and then I just poke a knife to see, and it's going in easily. So I'll let it cool a little bit. So friends, for today's recipe of sweet potato halwa, we are going to use two large size sweet potatoes. So we are going to use these reddish brown garnet yams, and they are called garnet yams because of their color, and they are very flavorful. They don't need any addition. You can just add some butter and enjoy. So what we will do is we'll use the air fryer to roast them. So first we'll preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees, and then we'll air fry these for about 28 minutes. We'll in the air fryer, you always have to check. So when they are done, you can easily take out the pulp, which is already roasted, and it just melts out. And then from there we will do the next step to make the halwa. So let's preheat the oven, the air fryer. So once we preheat the air fryer, we'll put these in for like 28 minutes. So friends, the air fryer is preheated now. So I'll just spray some olive oil into the so these will not stick to the bottom. And I made a little, if you can see, I made a little cut here. And so what this does is it'll easily pop out the pulp, and it'll be easy to peel this. So now we will air fry this at 400 degrees we'll do it for 25 minutes, and we'll see, and maybe we'll give a few more minutes. So friends, I had to give a few more minutes because these are pretty large size yams. So it looks like it is done, and then I just poke a knife to see, and it's going in easily. So I'll let it cool a little bit, and then we'll just scoop out the pulp, and then from there with the pulp we'll make the halwa. So you see, I'll show you how. We'll just it'll be very easy to just scoop out all of the pulp. It's all done. So you can just put some butter on it and enjoy like that. So once we scoop out the pulp, then we'll make the halwa. So friends, we have the pulp of the sweet potatoes now, and we are just going to use the potato masher and mash them up. It smells amazing, and these yams or sweet potatoes are really sweet, so we won't have to add too much of sugar or jaggery for the halwa. So all we are going to do is roast this a little bit in butter or desi ghee, or if I'm going to do it in olive oil, I'll use extra virgin olive oil. So everything that goes into this dish is super healthy. So we will use some extra virgin olive oil, roast this a little bit, and then we'll add some nuts. You can add whichever nuts you want, and then we'll add a little bit of jaggery. Even though it is already very sweet, but we'll just add a little more jaggery, and even that is healthy. So everything will be very healthy. So you see, now we mash them up. Now the next step is to roast it and mix all the ingredients. So we'll use some extra virgin olive oil in the pan, and then I'm going to add some almonds, some cashews, some walnuts. So our sweet potatoes are very healthy, and we are just making it even more healthy by adding all these wonderful nuts. So we'll just roast the nuts a little bit. And then we are going to add all the pulp in there. Okay, I'm going to add the sweet potato. If you don't want to add the extra jaggery, you can skip that. And to add a little more flavor, you can add green cardamom, like make a powder of the green cardamom seeds and add that in there. I like the flavor of kevda water, so I'm going to add that here. Not everyone likes the kevda water, so if you do, then add it. It just tastes like an authentic Indian halwa when you do. But you can also do the same thing by adding the green cardamom powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery powder in there. Maybe like 2 tablespoons. So this is the kevda water. You can get it from any Indian grocery store. I'll just add a few drops. So I have the heat on high. So I say roast it for about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay friends, so it is done now. So we roasted this for around 8 minutes on high heat, and you can see that the color has turned a little bit a darker shade of orange. So we can plate this now. So I added some more walnuts on it. So friends, this is it. This is our recipe for today. A super healthy guilt-free halwa or a dessert. So guilt-free dessert. This is the sweet potato halwa. So I hope you liked the video, and this tastes amazing. I hope you will try this. And if you like the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.